Josef Danhauser was born August 19, 1805 in Neubau, died May 4, 1845. He was an Austrian painter, one of the main artists of Biedermeier period, together with Ferdinand Georg Waldmüller, Peter Fendi, among others. His works, not very appreciated in his time, dealt with very moralizing subjects and had a clear influence of William Hogarth. He took his first painting lessons with his father and later assisted the Vienna Academy of Fine Arts. He studied with Johann Peter Krafft and made his first exhibition in 1826.